Welcome to Ma Keyma's Creations. My name is Ma Keyma Deshawn, and I'm so happy that you chose to spend a little bit of your so precious time with me. On my channel, I do simple, easy, affordable, and fun projects. So now, let's get into the project. Project number 1. For my supplies, I'll be using the Waverly chalk paint in white, the sunflowers from Dollar Tree, the stickers, the Blessed Family stickers from Dollar Tree, and also a Christmas house from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using the back of the house from the Dollar Tree. First things first, I'm going in with the white chalk paint from Waverly, and I'm just going to be giving this house a coat. 1 to 2 coats is what I'm going to be doing for this house. Okay, now I'm going in with the stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place the blessed word down. And what you are not seeing is the time that I had placing this down. It kept sticking to me, it kept sticking to my nails, and then it was sticking to the house, and it was just the whole thing. And there was a better way for me to put that on there, but I didn't do that. So with the magic of editing, as you can see, it's nicely put down and there were no problems. Yeah, right. So now we're going to go on into putting on the sunflowers. And so I wanted it to sort of curve around the F of the word of family. So you might have to cut one of the sunflowers so it can curve really nicely. Now I'm going in with the matte Mod Podge, and I'm going to just do one nice thin layer of that so everything could be can stick down really nice to the house. Now I'm just taking an old, it was a old piece of packaging that I had, and I'm using that because it was a little thicker and I wanted something like that to go behind the house so it can look nice and straight. So I'm just taking some hot glue and I'm just making sure that goes all around the house and making it to stick nicely to the home. Taking my finger X-Acto knife, I'm just gonna cut all around the house. Get it as close as you can. Don't worry about getting it too, right exactly where it needs to be, because we're going to take our finger sander and then we're going to go in and just sand all of the edges down so everything can get right where it belongs. Because I thought it needed something else, I'm taking this jute cord from Walmart, and I'm just gonna take that and place it all around the house until you're comfortable, or until it's where you want it to be, and use as much as you need to. Okay, now going in with these sunflowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to cut the wire off of the back, and then I'm just going to glue it in the spots where I find it necessary, or wherever you would like to glue them. And you can add how many ever you want to add as well. And as a final step for this project, I'm going in with a tower block that I picked these tumbling tower blocks up from Five Below, and it's a huge pack and they're nice quality. So I'm just going to take this and paint it maybe twice, And I'm going to use that as a stand for the back of the house so it can stand up. And right now I'm just trying to figure out where I need to glue it and how far up I need to glue it. And I'm just taking some hot glue and I'm going to just glue that on there, and then there you have it, a nice stand for your blessed family home. Project number 2. The supplies you'll need from the Dollar Tree are some rub-ons, a wood cutout house, and Waverly chalk paint and plaster. First things first, we're going to remove the sticker off of the wood cutout and remove the stickiness as well. Next, we're going in with the Waverly chalk paint and plaster, and we're going to put one nice coat, and we're going to put that on front and back of the house. Taking our first set of rub-ons, we're just gonna remove it from the package, and these are so nice. They're really impressive for Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna take that whole sheet, and we're just gonna. This is so simple. We're just gonna put the whole sheet on there, and we're gonna take that little, I guess, the little craft stick, and we're just gonna make sure we rub all of that on the house. And this side will be done after that. Okay, next, taking the next set of rub-ons, we're going to turn the house over, and we're going to rub on the word welcome and also the word home. So both sides can coordinate and look together. I'm just going to take that previous rub-on, and I'm going to just do a straight band across, and then I'm going to put some also at the top where I may have that little boo-boo. Yeah, so I'm just going to put that little flower or plant and just cover that little boo-boo that I made up. Okay, now that that is there, I'm taking my finger sander, and I'm just gonna sand all of that, all of the extra little parts of the rub-on that are hanging off, and I'm just gonna sand all of that off so it can be nice and clean. Now, going in with my glossy Mod Podge, I'm going to put one coat on front and back. Okay, and here we have it. 2 wonderful, very easy, very simple projects that you can display in your home. I have it displayed on a little seal in our family room, but just display it anywhere you want. And they were so easy to create and very simple, and it took no time. Thank you for watching my video. I ask that you stay safe, keep your loved ones close,